how I went from having to probably work till I was 80 till now being 55 and retire in the last 6 months. This is what I've done to create a portable, flexible income that has generated me over $400,000 in under 6 months because I actually learned the skill set that Forbes was predicting to go up. If you don't know me, my name's Wendy. I'm a grandma of 3 littles from Ontario, Canada, and we got our financial act together late, so we needed to earn additional income in order to even retire on time, let alone retire and do things that we wanted. In this video, I'm going to share with you all the different income streams that I have created in the last 6 months that has now generated me over $400,000 Canadian as a grandma by plugging into the online space. So 4 income streams are from digital marketing. So I make 100% profit from digital marketing. And this is what Forbes says is predicted to go up. So when I saw Forbes was saying this was going up, this was an in-demand skill set that people wanted to learn, I paid attention. You know, when the stock market's going up and your bank says invest in this, you're going to then make more money, you pay attention. If you do, you make more money. So I paid attention because I was interested in learning how to create a remote income. I did not know or have a way, I didn't have the skill set that I needed to know what worked. I tried a bunch of things that didn't work. So A+ for trying for this grandma, but I had things that didn't work. So when I saw Forbes was saying this is what was going to work, I paid attention. Then, so when digital marketing was going up, I had to find a solution or a program that fit me. Now, I believe in the power of automation because what automation does, it means you have a business working out there automatically for you while you're living life, right? I was still working. I have grandkids. I have things I want to do. I don't want to be tied to my phone 24/7 and having to answer things all hours of the night. That wasn't my idea of having a life. I had done that with network marketing. I didn't want to do that again. So when I did some research, saw other digital programs, but they didn't have the automation. So when I found one that did, that really piqued my interest. So I did more research. It's called the Daily Pay Blueprint. Now it teaches you how to make $900 a day. Gives you a step-by-step blueprint with 2 hours a day income producing activities that you don't have to do all at once. You incorporate into the pockets of your day. So you could do a bit on your lunch, you could do a bit before work, you can incorporate it whenever works for your schedule. So sometimes I'm in the car, my husband's driving, and I'm just doing a little bit of whatever on my phone, doing the business activities that I need to do each day. This is what has generated me, all those 4 income streams has generated me over $400,000. It's a learn and earn program. So I'm learning the skill set while I'm able to share it, and I make 100% profit by sharing these programs with other people because they want to learn the same skill set. Isn't that awesome? Like, I don't have to create the program. I don't have to host the program, pay for a hosting platform. I do not have to do tech support. All those things, I just get to make 100% profit from something that other people do. And they do a live webinar, which explains how the program works. I don't have to do any of that. Isn't that amazing? Kind of blows my mind that this is even an option out there. You know, we had to go to school before and learn all these ways to earn, go to college, university, and make money by having an education. Now we have the option of earning from a program called the Master Resale Rights. It means you get the resale rights to an educational platform program, training, courses that you then can offer to other people, and then you make 100% profit from it. This is an in-demand, high-demand skill set that people are looking for. That is what Forbes has said. So when you see something like that, this is an indication that you jump on. That's why myself and so many other people are having the success we are having, because this is what is in demand. Okay, so you'll learn those. In the program, you're also learning additional ways. This is my YouTube channel. So I'm learning how to grow my YouTube channel and monetize on it. Then I can create another income stream. Plus, we learn how to add affiliate marketing, why that's important, how you can do that without adding more time, which is great. And we learn all these things within the program. It's quite an amazing, opens your eyes when you start to, you don't know what you don't know, right? Until you know it. So once you learn, that's when you're able to make a wise decision on, is this good for you? Is it a good fit? So that's what I did. I looked into things, researched it, and then found this was the best fit for me. And I can honestly say from the bottom of my heart, it's been radically changing our life, right? I'm able to retire, made like $400,000 in under 6 months. I'm a $36,000 a year kind of girl. Like, that's what I make. My husband makes more money than me. Thank goodness. Because, you just have to these days. But that type of income is more than, I don't know, 3 years of our income combined in 6 months because of this being in demand, a skill set that people want to learn. So if you want to learn, put yes below. I'm going to share it with you because that is how you get the information. That's what I did. And then you start to learn and open up additional income streams. So not all your financial eggs are in one basket. We are now able to take my phone, as long as I have Wi-Fi, and I'm able to earn regardless of where I am. I was at a cottage 2 weeks ago up in Muskoka. I'm in Canada. So I was up north with some friends. I made over $10,000 with the 1 week that I was away on holidays. Have you ever made money when you're on holidays? Normally you don't. So creating an income in the online space has really radically opened my eyes to the opportunities that are out there, regardless of your age. I'm 55, so I'm a grandma. You can train your brain new tricks. It might take us a little longer some days, but that's okay. As long as you're willing to try new things and take a chance and learn something. If you don't take a chance and learn something, well, you'll never, open up new opportunities for yourself. But if you're willing to try to learn new things, the opportunities are endless, right? Like, listen, Colonel Sanders didn't fry chicken till when he was 70s. So we can create the reality we want for our future. If you're short for retirement like we were, or you just want to add some additional income into your retirement to supplement your bucket list and do those things you want to do while you're still young enough to do them and healthy enough, this is by far the best way to achieve your goals and dreams. So put yes below. I'm going to send with you. You can see how our automated system works, right? I'm going to send you my link and you can check it out and then you can decide from there. If you have questions, I'm always happy to answer. Put them in the comments below. I will reply. I want you to make the best decision for you, the most informed decision to know if this is a good fit. It's been radically changing our life and so many others. I just love for you to be next. In this next video here, you can watch our webinar replay, the latest one that just happened. You can understand the business and how it works in great detail. If you want to learn how you can make money online, this is it, my friends.